What's up, people? It's a boy TripleLL TV. Yeah, but then I kitchen today, is it? Yeah. And then kind of red still, not too long wake up. Kind of come in late this morning from work, so now we decided to cook some food so I can bring to work. I mean, have the time. I mean, you know, sometimes I ain't got the time to do that, so I have to buy like food from the vending machine at work. So today I got the time to cook some food and bring to work. So actually in the kitchen now, cooking up some brown stew chicken. Yeah. Real Jamaican thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. See there? Pot from fire already. Rice done. Yeah, done now. The chicken almost done. See there? Yeah. Oh, me do my chicken now. We cut up some vegetables like carrot, Irish potato, onion, tomato, sweet pepper, and all that. Put it aside. Season up my chicken with my season and all that. But before I do that, I prepare my chicken. Like wash it, cut it up, wash it out with some vinegar. Yeah, you know, you have to make sure your chicken clean. So then wash it up with some vinegar and then put it aside, season it up, and then put it aside because like you marinate for a little bit. I call it like 5 minutes. That chicken this not that long, and I like pork. You have to leave a couple almost like an half hour to an hour. I'll eat people love make them food kind of marinate real good. So we ain't got the time to do that all so much things. So I'll make sure make it stay a little bit. So once that done, season up the thing and all that. Put on some oil in the pot. Fry it up, cause yeah, that's how I do my thing. I don't really like do the chicken like, cause you know you have some people just cut up the chicken, season it up, and boil it down and all that, cook it down. I don't do that. I have to make sure my chicken fry. Get some oil, fry it up, make it look brown and look pretty. You know what I mean? So yeah, like you get that kind of brown color. Cause I don't like say white chicken. I eat that. That thing turn me off wicked, man. So I make sure. Fry it up in some oil, get it done and all that. And then when I fry it down, I'm putting it in the pot now. Get a separate pot and throw it in there. Put some water, see there? Put some water with it and then it can boil down and all that, cook down everything. So by the time I'm done, my chicken will look brown, crispy. No, not crispy. But yeah, the color I want it brown, kinda dark. Yeah, the kind of color there. So as some do in the kitchen, brown stew chicken. Yeah. A couple minutes before it done still. So I still have more time to go watch some TV, prepare myself for work in a couple minutes. But before I do that, I go up on the road and get some stuff. And then come back and deal with it. And get a little rest. And then head out for the work days. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, I'm in the kitchen today, man. Easy back and on, thing. Boy, now I left out to rub them at all. See there? Now I left a good rum them at all. It's a Jamaican rum. I don't know what kind of rum this, but the other day I buy it at the store in J Rave Jamaican gold rum. First me I see the one I still. So there first me I see the one. I don't know how it tastes, but I'll try it out still. And then we have the stone ginger wine. Every day before I touch work, I have to get a little taste of real. Yeah, I love it for real, man. I like the taste of it, man. And yesterday I did buy it at the store. Yeah. They said I don't buy it at Jamaica yet, because I just come back from a vacation like a week ago. But I never do want to buy it in a real too much thing, cause when you go real poor, people tell you this and people tell you that they can't bring this and you can't bring that. So I never didn't want to buy anything and bring down. So buy a couple stuff like snacks, which we didn't have them for sure yesterday, but eat them off already. Yeah. But yeah, we did buy some snacks I used to buy when like smaller going basic school in Jamaica and all that. Favorite snacks. I'm surprised to go back and sell them snacks same way. So yeah, I have to get some of them. But it was a good vacation. It was alright, but I was sick. It was me, the baby, and my girl. So, and 3 of us was sick. So now I'm getting back better now. If it kind of hear the cold, my voice kind of worse still away. But everything good otherwise, I mean. So yeah, somebody there go and chill. Yeah. You kind of look mess, but you don't know it go already. Bad man thing, wicked man thing. Yeah. Now give pot a little stir up. I mean, give pot a little stir up, you don't want it kind of stick. Cause now, the time when the water start dry type pot, you don't want that. Water dry out, you ain't gonna get no gravy for your rice. You get that sauce of rice and sauce of meat. And you don't want that. You like when the gravy all over the rice with the chicken. That's when you know it tastes good. Yeah. If you realize that dry out, all you do get some water and just add a little water to it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Add some water to it. Not too much. Just a little bit to get that gravy. And then you kind of mix them up again. But this time, make sure you turn on the stove. Okay, don't want the thing get dry. Yeah, once I turn on the stove, you know say almost finished. Food done. Food ready for eat, you know what I mean? So yeah, we should start this video. But I come and just start cooking, show you the full length of the thing, you know what I mean? But I mean the battery was very low and I have to put it on charge, so next time I'll be like pork. Yeah, I know a boy can cook a mad man. Man a chef. Man a chef, man. Man a pro chef, but you don't know a man can do them things, you see it. So no woman can style, man. Crazy. Can't cook, man. Take care of your woman, man. Not a joke thing. You have to can cook, bro. Once you can cook, you don't know a thing, though. Yeah. Now I'm going to dry food thing. But meat dry food still, but not every time. Yeah. The reason I didn't get a chance to upload that so often, I'm coming from work, yo. I'm tired, John. I'm dread out, yo. Tired for real, yo. But I try and see what I can do sometime and make it really possible, you know what I mean? Put up some video and all that. But yeah, we chef it up. Yeah, chef it up. Chef it up, stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Yeah, man, the boy can't sing, man. You talk about, man. You're born singer, you know. Once you have voice, you can't sing, man. You talk about. Stir it up. Brown stew chicken, stir it up. With some fried rice, stir it up. Yeah, mad thing. Yeah, I remember when I finish, when the chicken done, I mean, I like my gravy kind of thick, you know. I like when it's too watery, so all I do throw some ketchup on it, it'd be good. Give it that thick body. You know, like when my thing too watery, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. It's a boy, TripleLL TV. Live your life, love yourself, laugh at the year, run the devil away. TripleLL TV. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. You know what I mean? Support the boy thing. Yeah, man, TripleLL TV. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time on the next video. I mean, I'm out. Mad thing. I'm mad thing. Yeah, I'm mad thing. Yeah, man, TripleLL TV. I chef it up today. Some brown stew chicken. A lot of female. I love that, you know? Jamaican thing. Know what I mean? I'm out. Yeah, man, see that now, everything done. Food ready. So you talk about the chicken looking dark. A nice color there. Yeah. I'm a thing. I'm a thing. Yeah, man, your boy a chef, man.